Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to open up this 2016 Panini Contenders football. Just picked this up at Walmart, so let's get to it. Those are, I believe, the odds right there, so check that out. So let's open up and see what we get. I'm going to make this pretty quick. This actually contains one autograph or memorabilia on average. So there we go. Pack number one. Sean McCoy, Matt Jones. I hate this. Bart Starr, J.J. Watt. Gosh. Matthew Stafford, Antonio Brown, Kelvin Benjamin, and a cool little insert. Legendary Peyton Manning. It's a nice little insert. Not numbered, but still nice. Pack number two. I've been looking all over for the Optic football. I cannot find it anywhere. I am done looking. I'm just getting them online. James Winston, Zach Ertz, C.J. Anderson, Thomas Rawls. Here's Des Bryant, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Blaine Gabbert, Cam Newton, pack number three. Maris Thomas, Doug Baldwin, Jeremy Hill, Stephon Diggs, Blake Bortles, LaShawn McCoy, Matt Jones, and autograph of Tanner McEvoy for the Seahawks. That's the autograph. There we go. Pack number four. Come on now. Andy Dalton, Adrian Peterson, T.Y. Hilton, DeMarco Murray, Devontae Parker, Larry Fitzgerald, Amari Cooper, Rookie of the Year, C.J. Prosise, another Seahawk, and the last pack. Tyrod Taylor, Travis Benjamin, Aaron Rodgers. Oh, he's getting pretty hot right now. DeAndre Hopkins, Kevin White, Le'Veon Bell. He's on fire too. Devin Funchess, Jason Witten. And that will be pretty much it. Got the Tanner McEvoy autograph. A Rookie of the Year insert of CJ Pro-Size. And another insert, Peyton Manning Legendary Contenders. Pretty cool. That will be it. Thank you.